as the Army soldier sculpture is being read, I will read the Soldier's Creed. I am an American soldier. I am a warrior and a member of a team. I serve the people of the United States and live the Army values. I will always place the mission first. I will never accept defeat. I will never quit. I will never leave a fallen comrade. I am disciplined, physically and mentally tough, trained and proficient in my warrior tasks and drills. I always maintain my arms, my equipment, and myself. I am an expert, and I am a professional. I stand ready to deploy, engage, and destroy the enemies of the United States of America in close combat. I am a guardian of freedom and the American way of life. I am an American soldier. Ladies and gentlemen, the Soldier's Creed, the colors of the Army, and the Army Soldier Sculpture. You may now unveil the sculpture. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to unveil the United States Marine sculpture, we make the presentation of colors and the Marine hymn. From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we fight our country's battles on the land as on the sea. First to fight for right and freedom and keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine. Our flags unfurl to every breeze from dawn to setting sun. We have fought at every clime and place where we could take a gun. In the snow of far-off northern lands and in sunny tropic scenes, you will always find us on the job, United States Marines. Here's health to you and our Corps, which we are proud to serve. In many a strife we fought for life and never lost our nerve. If the Army and the Navy ever look on heaven's scenes, they will find the streets are guarded by United States Marines. Ladies and gentlemen, the hymn and colors of the United States Marine Corps and the unveiling of the Marine sculpture. Unveil the sculpture of the Navy sailor, including the naval colors and the reading of the Sailor's Creed. I am an United States sailor. I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America, and I will obey orders of those appointed over me. I represent the fighting spirit of the Navy and those who have gone before me to defend freedom and democracy around the world. I proudly serve my country's Navy combat team with honor, courage, and commitment. I am committed to excellence and the fair treatment of all. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sailor's Creed, the colors of the United States Navy, and the unveiling of the Sailor's Sculpture. Now presenting the service colors of the United States Air Force and the Airman's Creed. I am an American airman. I am a warrior. I have answered my nation's call. I am an American airman. My mission is to fly, fight, and win. I am faithful to a proud heritage. A tradition of honor, a legacy of valor. I am an American airman. Guardian of freedom and justice, my nation's sword and shield. In century and avenger, I defend my country with my life. I am an American airman. Wingman, leader, warrior, I will never leave an airman behind. I will never falter, and I will not fail. Ladies and gentlemen, the Airman's Creed, the colors of the United States Air Force, and the unveiling of the Airman's Sculpture. Now for the presentation of colors of the United States Coast Guard, the Coast Guardsman's Creed, and the Coast Guard Sculpture. I am proud to be a United States Coast Guardsman. I revere that long line of expert seamen who by their devotion to duty and sacrifice of self have made it possible for me to be a member of a service honored and respected in peace and in war throughout the world. I never, by word or deed, will bring reproach upon the fair name of my service, nor permit others to do so unchallenged. I will cheerfully and willingly obey all lawful orders. I will always be on time to relieve, and shall endeavor to do more rather than less than my share. I will always be at my station, alert and attending to my duties. I shall, so far as I am able, bring my senior solutions, not problems. I shall live joyously, but always with due regard for the rights and privileges of others. I shall endeavor to be a model citizen of the community in which I live. I shall sell life dearly to an enemy of my country, but give it freely to rescue those in peril. With God's help, I shall endeavor to be one of his noblest works, a United States Coast Guardsman. Ladies and gentlemen, the Coast Guardsman Creed, presenting the colors of the United States Coast Guard and the Coast Guard Sculpture. At this time, we'd like to present the Civil Service Sculpture. First, the Army Civilian Corps Creed. I am an Army civilian, a member of the Army team. I am dedicated to our Army, our soldiers, and civilians. I will always support the mission. I will provide stability and continuity during war and peace. I support and defend the Constitution of the United States and consider it an honor to serve our nation and our Army. I live the Army values of loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. I am an Army civilian. Ladies and gentlemen, the Army Civilian Corps Creed and the unveiling of the Civil Service Statue. Finally, we would like to unveil a pair of bronze empty boots to honor those still listed as prisoners of war or missing in action, with a simple message: you are not forgotten. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Hardin County Veterans Tribute.